It definitely is an exciting time for multiple myeloma, and it's nice to see a lot of myeloma here at ASCO. The Daratumumab presentation that is being made is a reflection of a trial that was done and designed explicitly for patients with multiple myeloma who had quite heavily pretreated disease, defined by at least 3 prior lines of therapy. And the importance of that, of course, is that is the group of patients for whom right now we haven't many very good options. And it was a phase 2 study where patients were given the single agent of Daratumumab to assess how safe it was and, of course, its efficacy. What strikes us perhaps most about this trial was that there was a very impressive single agent response rate of 29%, which in this group of patients, quite heavily pretreated, the overwhelming majority were refractory to both a proteasome inhibitor and an immune modulatory drug. So very reflective of real life practice. That was very impressive. The second point that I found very impressive in this work, as we've seen with this monoclonal antibody and the other anti-CD38 monoclonal antibody, SAR 650984, was that it was very well tolerated. That yes, there can be some infusional reactions, but many of the things that we typically see in myeloma we do not see with these agents, like cytopenias, significant fatigue, or other hematological effects. So I would say, looking forward, this is going to be a very critical compound that will very likely play an important role in multiple myeloma in the heavily pretreated population as reflected in the study, but will now be a companion to other studies where we see its efficacy early on in treatment, even in frontline therapy.